Hi guys, it's circles now. Okay, try this question now, guys. Oh, this year JEE advance. Try it now. Relax. JEE advance. It's written, but don't be scared. It's if it's tough for everybody. Relax. Just attempt it. The next chapters are binomial. Binomial and circles. There will be couple more lectures, and then there will be parabola. Uh, After binomial circle, there will be parabola. Then there is sequence and series. All the topics that we have done till now, all the topics that you have done till now, they will be done. After next month, we will start with the revision of functions and limits here. So all the students, 12th or 13th students can attend. So those of you who are worried about how will we revise, this will be a good way to revise also. So functions and limits and calculus part will go on then. Attempt the question. I will start doing this question after 2-3 more minutes. You attempt. मेरे से एडवांस के क्वेश्चन नहीं होते हैं. No need to be scared. Mains itself will be in probably April, or even if it's in January. Mains is near. Advance is in May. Till then you can keep on practicing. You can solve some good questions, black book, etc. You can solve, and then you can develop that power. Right now it's quite possible. Internally touching means this. There are two type of possibilities when a circle touches another circle, right? This is internal and this is external. So Vishnu, then that is even better if you are in class 11. But class 11, have you done circles? Have you done circles? Then how will you attempt these questions? Okay, let's try this question now. This is the diagram. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So it's pretty obvious what we have to do. We need to take choice of origin. So it's a question of choice of origin. So keep the triangle here. How many of you have not done the choice of origin here? How many of you have not taken the triangle like this? This is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, and this is 3, 0. Now, there is a circle which is circumcircle of this triangle. So circumcircle will be on this as diameter. This is the circumcircle. Very good, Hiral. Shabash. Very nice. Now they are talking about this circle that touches both these sides and also touches this circle. They are talking about this circle. Chill. Very good. We simply have to apply this D is equal to R1 minus R2. This is what we have to apply. When two circles, see for this case D is R1 minus R2 mod, and for this case D is R1 plus R2. You know this, right? So we'll have to apply D is equal to R1 minus R2. Now let us first understand what is R1. R1 is the radius of red circle. Now what is the radius of red circle? It will be half of the diameter. This is diameter. Diameter is 3 square plus 1 square root 10. So root 10 by 2, that is R1. R2 we want to find. Now how to find D? How to find D? D is distance between the centers. So center 1 is R comma R. That is the center of this blue circle. Because it is touching both x-axis and y-axis, right? So it will be R comma R. What is center 2? For red circle, it will be 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Midpoint of hypotenuse. So what is D? D is equal to root of 3 by 2 minus R whole square plus 1 by 2 minus R whole square. That is D. So we have to equate these two. So for that we'll have to do squaring also. So root of, after squaring we get this, equate and square. So 3 by 2 minus R whole square plus 1 by 2 minus R whole square is equal to root 10 by 2 minus R whole square. This is what we have to solve. Nine by 4 minus 3R plus R square plus 1 by 4 minus R plus R square. 10 by 4 minus root 10R plus R square. So 9 by 4, 1 by 4, 10 by 4 gone. 1 R square gone. So we get R square minus 4R plus root 10R is equal to 0. So one is R is equal to 0, not possible. It will be a and the other is R is equal to 4 minus root 10. Director circle. How? This is not director circle of this circle. For director circle, they have to be concentric also. They are not concentric. They are not concentric. It is just passing through perpendicular tangent. That doesn't mean that it's direct circle. They have to have same center. Was it a tough question? Was it a tough question? Was it a tough question? Tell me, was it tough? No. Explain again. It was easy. It was really easy. So even when you have heard that this time JEE Advance was very tough, still you will realize that it's not possible that every question is tough. Tough means 40 to 50% came out to be tough. The remaining 50 to 60% will still be doable. Now Rekha is some child who is asking, please explain again. A kid is asking, why is the center coordinate r comma r? Guys, if a circle touches both x-axis and y-axis, so here the center will be r comma r because it will touch, so it will, these two will be equal. Here the center will be minus r comma r. Here the center will be r comma minus r, and here it will be minus r comma minus r. Okay, okay. Is everybody fine? Is everybody fine? Please like the session, share the session with students. Okay, now solve this one. Again, take 3 minutes. Take 3 minutes. Your time starts now. Yes. Is it done? Is this done? Is this done? Option A. Good. Let the abscissa be 2 points. P and Q on circle. Oh my god, how easy this question is. So the diametric form is this, and then still people say paper is tough. What to do, sir? If you will not study properly, if you will not revise, if you will not practice, everything will be tough. Everything will be tough. So now this is directly this thing. Put this quadratic directly because the roots are x1 and x2. So this will be same as this only, plus, and this will be same as this only. Got it? One line answer. Just Google and find out on Quora Pora how much people are saying the paper was very tough, this and that. A is -2, B is 1, C is -13, A is B. You realize how did I substitute it directly? Okay, now try this one. Against JEE Main 2022, you have again 3 minutes. Try. Try. Acha, now class, there is one suggestion that I want you to follow. After every question, if you are suppose you are not able to solve, but I solved it. So you should ask me if there is some step that you are not able to think. You should ask me how did you think this? Then I can tell you the reason from where I got this hint, from some formula, some funda. So now start pointing out why you were not able to solve if you knew all these concepts. Don't ask me, sir, okay. Suppose तुम्हें कोई चीज याद नहीं आई, then don't ask. But if there is something tricky that you could not think, then ask that how did you think that? Understood? Then ask, sir, how did you think of this? Don't ask how did you think of this formula. Arey, of course I have to learn this formula, that is how I could think. You should ask how did the concept, the approach click. Those kind of questions you should now start asking till your JEE. So slowly you should try to overtake me. After 3 to 3 months, it should happen that if you and me take the same exam for advance, you should score more marks than me. If you want top 100 rank in maths, at least. Physics, chemistry, so anyways you will score more, but in maths you should also score more marks than me if you want top 100 rank. What was Dhruv Gupta doing? Were you trying to find roots, Dhruv Gupta? Roots. He was trying roots. Try. Take 3 minutes. No need to rush. No need to worry. Done. B. So a point P moves so that the sum of the squares of its distances from these points is 14. Let fxy equal to 0 be the locus of P, okay, which is x at P and y. Okay. So locus is this sum of squares, right? Is equal to 14. So 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x plus 4x is plus 2x. Minus 4y minus 2y is minus 6y. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 minus 4. So this is the locus. Now which intersect x-axis at point A and B and y-axis at point C and D. So put y equal to 0, x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 and 1. So the points are minus 2 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. This is A, this is B. How did I write this? It's so easy. Let the point P be h comma k. So sum of squares of its distances. So h comma k distance from 1 comma 2 ka square plus h comma k distance from minus 2 comma 1 ka square. So addition of two squares is 14. Should I write like this? Then you will understand. Distance formula. Distance formula. Aditya Vats. Distance formula. Yes, Aditya. Square of distance formula plus square of distance formula equal to 14. That is what he is saying. What happened? Y square minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so you will get two bad roots. Let's call them y1 and y2. So you got other 2 points C and D as 0 comma y1 and 0 comma y2. Now you need area. Area. So half minus 2 0 1 0 0 y1 0 y2 minus 2 0. So let's see what is the area coming. Half 0 y1 y0 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0 plus 2y2. Interesting. Zero y1. Okay. So half. Now y1 plus y2 plus y2. This doesn't make sense. There is some calculation that I have probably bungled up. See the calculations. Are the calculations right? These are the roots. Calculation wrong. I have done. Minus 4y minus 2y is minus 6y. I don't think so. Y is coefficient. Minus 4y here and minus 2y here. So minus 6y. ACBD. Okay. The quadrilateral is ACBD. See the order. ACBD. Quadrilateral is ACBD. So ACBD. C is 0, y1. B is 1, 0, 0, y2, minus 2, 0. Now let's start. Minus 2, y1 plus y2 minus y1 plus 2y2. So it will be half into 3 times mod of y1 minus y2. So let us, mod of y1 minus y2 is root 17. So 3 root 17 by 2. Answer. Now it's correct. So question was really easy. We were just, Sumit, then the question is incomplete. That doesn't matter. कौन सा C, कौन सा D, because it otherwise it will be y2 minus y1. This will still be the same. It will be y2 minus y1, difference of the roots. Agreed, Manchester City. Yes. Okay. Let's solve this one now. आदित्य बस y2 and y1 find कर लो. Find y2 and y1 then subtract. Also difference of the roots has a direct formula in quadratic. Root d by a. That is the direct formula for difference of the roots. Alpha minus beta is root of discriminant upon a. Option D. Option D. Should I solve? Try. Take 3 minutes. No need to rush. If you are not able to think, that's also okay. You are only it's still only October. JEE is even JEE mains will be at least 4 months ago after this. And after completing syllabus, you will get time to improve your clicking and picking power and all those things. Should I tell? The set of values of k for which the circle lies inside the fourth quadrant and the point 1 comma minus 3 lies on or inside the circle. That's really cool. So 1 comma minus 3 lies on or inside. That means S1 less than or equal to 0. So put first divide by 4 plus k by 4. I'm taking k by 4 as lambda. So k by 4 is lambda. Okay. K by lambda is k by 4. Okay. So S1 is less than equal to 0. So that means 1 plus 1 by 9 minus 3 uh, minus 2 by 3 plus lambda is less than equal to 0. So minus 2 minus 6 by 9 plus lambda is less than equal to 0. So lambda is less than equal to, Let's do the calculations properly. So it is minus 2, minus 6 by 9 plus 1 by 9 will be minus 5 by 9. 9 2s are 18 and 5 23. 23 by 9. See the calculations. So lambda less than equal to 23 by 9. This is k by 4. So 92 by 9. Okay. Also, they should lie completely inside fourth quadrant. It is saying it should be completely inside fourth quadrant. So see, the center is 3 by 2 comma minus 1. That is the center. And it should lie completely inside fourth quadrant. So of course radius should be less than 1. Otherwise it will cross the quadrant, right? So radius less than 1. So g square plus f square plus c, 3 by 2 whole square plus f square is 1 plus square minus c is less than 1. So lambda is greater than 9 by 4. So k by 4. I think D is the answer. D. D is the answer. How was this question? Easy, difficult? Done? Hard. Stop joking. Stop joking. Solve this one now. You can take 4 minutes for this question. It's a good question. Try. At least draw the diagram. Suppose if you are not able to crack it, at least draw the diagram. What is happening? Try to understand. Think of various options. Think of various methods. Type your methods in the chat. If you are not able to solve, at least type your methods. Some methods. I can tell why is your method not sensible. Why will that not work? Fight with the question. Fight, struggle. Don't give up. We are not studying history, civics, or geography where I teach and then you just learn. No. We are keeping these sessions because I want you to think. I want you to feel stressed out. I want you to feel challenged by the question. See, what was happening, Raj? There was a circle. Its distance from x-axis was 1 and distance from y-axis was 3 by 2. Now, if you keep making circle bigger, it will cross both x-axis and y-axis. Which is the smaller distance? 1. So radius should be less than 1. So that it should cross x-axis. I cannot say radius is less than 3 by 2. If radius is less than 3 by 2, it can still cross x-axis. So radius is less than 1. You can also apply, put it should not cross x-axis. So put y equal to 0 and apply d less than 0. 15 unit could be possible. Let's try. At least let me draw the diagram now. Now there is a circle which is tangent to both x-axis and y-axis, and it's in first quadrant. At point P and Q respectively. So this is P and this is Q. BC and AD are parallel tangents with slope -1. That's wonderful. So this is one tangent and this is another tangent. B, C, A, D. If points A and B are on y-axis, A, B, C, D, and area of this quadrilateral is 900 root 2. Then find the radius of the circle. Wonderful. So this is a trapezium. Area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides into height h. Do you remember? So half sum of parallel sides, and what is height h? Height h will be this height, which is 2r, radius twice of radius, and this is 900 root 2. And we need to find a plus b. A plus b are these two lengths. So let's find these lengths. This is 45 degree. Okay, so this is the circle x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square. This is the circle, right? Center is r comma r. Radius is also r. Right? The center will be r comma r. So the tangent of slope -1 will be y is equal to minus, sorry, we can find the equation of tangent very easily, of slope minus 1. Y minus r is equal to minus 1 times x minus r plus minus r root 1 plus m square root 2. So the tangent is x plus y is equal to r times 2 plus minus root 2. This is the tangent. These are the two tangents. Now what to do? Now we have to find these two lengths. Okay. Actually, this point we can very easily find out. Put y as 0, x is 2 minus root 2 into r comma 0. And this point will be 2 plus root 2 into r comma 0. With this only we can find the area of the trapezium. We don't even need other things. आपने इतनी मेहनत क्यों की? Directly it is y equal to mx plus r root 1 plus m square. How can that be direct answer? The center is not origin. How can you apply direct formula? You'll have to shift. So AD, you'll have to shift. Now we can very easily find AD plus BC on the next page. See, AD will be, we can write it, AD will be 2 minus root 2 r, and this is 45 degree. 45 degree. So sec 45 degree. So it will be 2 root 2 minus 2 times r. And BC will be 2 plus root 2 r. Again, this is 45 degree. Sec 45 degree. So it is 2 root 2 plus 2 r. Adding both these will be 8 root 2. So now the question is done. Half a plus b. Adding these two will be 4 root 2 r into 2r. Now you can find r. Now we can find r. So 900 root 2 is equal to half into 4 root 2r into 2r. So root 2 cancelled. 2 cancelled. R square is 900 by 4, which is 225. R is equal to 15. Yeah, right. Direct point say area, it could have been easy. Geometry also we can apply. Geometry also we can apply. Yes. Geometry also we can apply. This is 45, so this is 135. Then you will have to draw this construction. Then half of 22.5 degrees. Actually, using geometry, you will have to use 22.5 degrees. You will have to use 22.5 degrees. So that might be a little irritating for you. Is that okay? Yes, Rajjan. It could have been easier if we used all four vertices. We have all four vertices here. We could have used that part. But see, I haven't attempted these questions before. Na? I thought of this area of trapezium. I started with that. Even then, I would have been able to do it in exam very easily. Now solve this. Done. Please like the session, share the session. This is an assignment question. Done? Is this done, guys? Okay, let's try. There is sequence of circles C1, C2, C3. Centers lie on positive x-axis. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. With abscissa, that means x coordinate is forming an AP with first term unity and common difference 3. So first center is 1 comma 0. The next center will be 4 comma 0 and so on. The and radius are is in GP. Okay, so radius is 1, 2, 4, 8 and so on. Radius is like this. Okay. Now tangent lines with slope m1 and m2 of C3 are intersecting at the center of C5. How easy? Let's find center of C5. C5 center will be 1 plus 5 minus 1 into 3 comma 0. 4, 12, 13 comma 0. That will be the center. Now from there C3. Now what is C3? C3 has center 7 comma 0 and radius 4. So from this point two tangents are drawn and we want to need product of the slope. How easy can anything be? So simply this is the circle and we need to find product of slopes of tangents drawn from 13 comma 0. So for that we need that quadratic of slopes. That also we can find out very easily. Y minus 0 is equal to m times x minus 7 plus minus 14 root 1 plus m square. This is the equation of tangent. Put 13 comma 0 here. So 0, 6m 4 root 1 plus m square. So 36 m square is equal to 16 times 1 plus m square. 9m square is equal to 4 plus 4m square. So 5m square is 4. So m1, m2 will be 4 by 5 only. Mod m1, m2 will be 4 by 5 only because one will be root 2 by root 5, other will be minus 2 by root 5. So answer is 2010 mod m1, m2. It's so easy. It was very easy question. Unnecessary. Such unnecessary, such lengthy statement was so easy. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's solve this one. This you should have done. This was easy. Yes. मेरा मेथड और इजी लगा तो गुड ना. आई एम नॉट सेइंग माय मेथड इज द बेस्ट. You can use your own method also. We can also do it, Mahima. That also you can do. That also you can do. That's also a right logic. Yes, guys. What about this question? Are you able to see how much time I am able to give you to attempt a question on YouTube on any Zoom lecture or any other lecture or plus platform or no? It's not possible to give you that much time because their hours are limited. I'm able to give you so much time. You can apply. You can try. I'm sitting here. I don't care how much time it takes. Keep on thinking. Struggle with it. If such sessions are continued till JEE Advance and you attend properly and you keep on doing self-study with this, and the frequency of such sessions is increased once your syllabus gets over, then there is no doubt that you can crack the rank. I'm talking about all three subjects now. It is all about practice, thinking, thought process, that's all. Should I attempt now? OA and OB are equal chords of this circle perpendicular to each other passing through origin. Okay, interesting. And the circle also passes through origin. This is origin. So there are two equal chords. Now how to make it actually, let's draw a better diagram. This is the circle. So this part is bigger, this part is smaller. Let's draw even better diagram. This is big. Okay, so there are two perpendicular chords OA and OB. Looks cool. This is A and this is B, and they are equal. Awesome. Then they need their equation. Fantastic. So let the length be R. Now you can take this point as some R cos. If suppose this angle is theta, so it will be R cos theta minus R sin theta is this point. Now if since this is theta, we just need to find theta, right? Now this is theta, this is 90, so this must be 90 minus theta. So this point will be R cos 90 minus theta, so minus R S comma minus RC. This is the next point. Okay. So now we'll substitute these points here in the circle x square plus y square. So r square c square plus r square s square minus 2 rc minus 4 rs is equal to 0. and substituting the other point, r square c square plus r square s square plus r square c square plus 2rs minus 4rc is also equal to 0. So this is r square, this is also r square. Subtract both these lines, both these equations. You will get 2s minus 4c is equal to minus 2c minus 4s. That means 6s is equal to 2c. That means s by c is equal to 1 by 3. So tan theta is 1 by 3. So slope will be minus 1 by 3. So one slope is minus 1 by 3. So option A is correct. I applied a very ganda method. There could have been a better method. I can do another method which will be better. Do you want me to try another method which will be better? No, no, no. This height is RS, but it is downwards, right? So I had to take care of all those things. This height is RS, but it is downwards, so it is minus RS. Theta, I have taken this acute angle. Na? If this is theta, this is 90, this must be 90 minus theta. So that the sum is 180 degree. So this is 90 minus theta, this is R. So this length will be R cos 90 minus theta, which is R sin theta, but it is towards the left. So it will be minus RS. And this will be R sin 90 minus theta, which will be RC, but it is downwards, so minus RC. So I substituted both these points in the circle. I get those two equations. I subtracted it. I got this, which means tan theta is 1 by 3. So in this triangle, tan theta comes out to be 1 by 3. Again, tan theta is for this acute angle. That means the slope will be minus 1 by 3 because theta is towards down. Should I show you a smarter way? Should I show you a smarter way? Should I show you a smarter way? Guys, should I show you a smarter way? Okay, see. This is the circle which is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Now there is this point origin. Now if this point is some a comma b and we have to rotate it by angle 90 degrees to reach here. So after 90 degree rotation, this point will become minus b comma a. Right? Do you remember rotation of about origin by 90 degrees? If any point is rotated about origin by 90 degrees anti-clockwise, a comma b becomes minus b comma a. Just substitute both of them. A square plus b square minus 2a plus 4b is equal to 0. And b square plus a square plus 2b plus 4a is equal to 0. Subtract minus 6a plus 2b is equal to 0. So b by a is 3. So one line is y equal to 3x, other will be x plus 3y equal to 0. Done. unnecessary. We didn't need to involve theta. After solving by previous method, I realized theta was unnecessary. Manchester City is the way by which we rotate a point about another point. Those of you who don't know, remember if you are rotating a point A comma B, alpha comma beta about origin by 90 degrees, then it becomes minus beta comma alpha, anti-clockwise rotation. So how do you know we have to rotate anti-clockwise? See, there are 2 points. One of them with anti-clockwise rotation will reach the other. If you are saying that point sir clockwise hoga, so then take ulta. The other one will reach with anti-clockwise to at the other point. Manchester City, it's a very big funda. That cannot be covered here. It is a full lecture. Complex number. It is using complex numbers for rotation, point rotation. This is also is good. See this, its method. Slope of line joining the center is 1 comma minus 2 and then it rotates it by 45 degree. It is much simple. Who did it? There was someone in the chat who was saying that I did it with this method, 45 degree rotation. Who was saying that that I did it with this method? This is even better. Sameep was saying, yeah, very nice, very nice, good. Solve it now. Solve it. Take your time. Take 3-4 minutes. Option C. Alpha comma beta is a point on the circle whose center is on the x-axis which touches the line this at this. Now such a good question. It has already given point on the line and also the line which is the tangent. This is x plus y equal to 0 and there is a point which is where it touches the circle. So create a touching type family using point circle. X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square plus 2 lambda times x plus y equal to 0. So this is the circle. Now alpha comma b and center is on x-axis. So center is minus 4x plus minus 4 plus 2 lambda by minus 2, 4 plus 2 lambda by minus 2. So it is 2 comma minus 2 minus lambda comma minus 2 minus lambda. That is the center. Okay, so this is the center and it lies on x-axis. So y should be 0. So lambda should be equal to minus 2. This should be equal to 0. Okay, so lambda should be minus 2. So congratulations, we have got the circle. X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square minus 4 times x plus y. Cool looking circle. Now alpha comma beta is a point on the circle and you have to find maximum value of alpha. Awesome. So let's substitute alpha comma beta. Alpha minus 2 whole square plus beta plus 2 whole square minus 4 alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So alpha square minus 4 minus 8 alpha plus 4 plus beta square minus plus 4 beta minus 4 beta gone plus 4 is equal to 0. So alpha square minus 8 alpha plus 8 plus beta square is equal to 0. So we have to maximize alpha. Okay. So how to maximize alpha? How to maximize alpha? Alpha square minus 8 alpha is equal to plus 8 plus beta square is equal to 0. So this is alpha minus 4 whole square minus 8 plus beta square is equal to 0. Alpha minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 minus beta square. So to maximize this, the maximum value is 8. So alpha minus 4 should be equal to 2 root 2. 4 plus 2 root 2. What is the answer? What is the answer? C. C is the answer. Yes. Diagram was probably a better choice. I agree. This question had easy digits, so diagram was probably a better choice because you have 45-degree angle and all that. But diagram could have been a not so good choice if the angle was not 45 degree. You can solve the same question by diagram. First, copy this. Copy this. You can solve the same question. You will not be able to solve the same question without with diagram in if the angle is not 45 degree. That's something crucial. Okay, so see, copy this. We can try to solve it with diagram only. Last question of the day. So see what happens. X plus y equal to 0 is the tangent, right? X plus y equal to 0 is the tangent, and 2 comma minus 2 is the place where it touches. So 2 comma minus 2, and center lies on x-axis. So this is the circle. We have to find this point. That is the highest value of alpha. So how to find this is 2 root 2, because this is 2 comma minus 2. So this will be 2 root 2. And if I draw perpendicular here, this is 45 degree. So 2 root 2 sec 45 degree will be 4. This will be 4. And this is also 2 root 2, because since this is 2 root 2, this is 45, so this will be also be 2 root 2. So this is also 2 root 2. So the maximum value of alpha will be 4 plus 2 root 2. So diagram can give the answer in one line actually. So guys, did you like today's session? How was it? Did you find it useful? Attempting the questions, getting hint from me. सर आपको क्लिक कैसे हुआ कि फैमिली बनानी है? व्हेनेवर सी एक्चुअली ये माइंड की कंडीशनिंग थी मेरी कि अगर लाइन दी है उसमें पॉइंट दिया है जहाँ पे टेंजेंट है, तो वो मैं टचिंग टाइप फैमिली बनाते ही है. मैंने पढ़ाते वक्त हर वक्त पढ़ाया ही है. इट्स अ स्टैंडर्ड थिंग. वो बात अलग है, इस बार उससे भी इजी मेथड था, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, मेरे को वही दिखा, मैंने वही स्टार्ट कर दिया. ओके चलो, टेक केयर, बाय बाय. ऑल द सेशंस में उनका पीडीएफ डलवाता हूँ अभी.